What is going on, everyone? This is Daniel C. Simsky. Today, I am going to tell you about some sound effects that I have created which sound like a car accelerating. There are numerous car racing video games, examples including Gran Turismo and Forza Motorsport, that allow you to tune the transmission, and the gears take the form of diagonal lines on a graph showing where the revolutions per minute would be in each and every gear. Similar to this example right here. First gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear, and sixth gear. I went into Wavepad sound editor, opened up a sound loop of a car's engine, went into the pitch and speed profile, and literally imitated those gear ratio lines. And it really sounded like a car accelerating. Thing is, you can't have just the sound loop itself. You have to copy and paste it over and over again until you get the most acceptable length. Now let's see how it plays out now. Well, I guess that's all there is to it.